Hi, my name is Amanda Smith, and I'm in the school psychology program down here in San Diego. And I'm just starting my practicum year at a new school. So I don't have any problems that I can talk about specifically at my site because I don't have any insight into that, or not much, especially firsthand. However, one of the things I read in the reading this week that I thought was so interesting was the very beginning of the chapter talks about how school counseling came out of kind of the Industrial Revolution. And it was talking about how cities with slums and immigrant-filled ghettos, the decline of Puritan morality, the eclipse of the individual by organizations, corrupt political bossism, and the demise of the apprenticeship method of learning a vocation. And that was by Stevens in 1970. And it's funny now that I feel like so much of that is coming back, and we're kind of in this new age revolution in a sense, where things are just changing, and there's so much, I don't know if you want to say negative in the world, or so much hardship, or so many immigrants or people fleeing persecution, and at a time where kids need so much support and so much help in these not even intellectual disabilities or processing disabilities, which is a whole thing, obviously what we're doing in school psychology, but more so the social emotional and the environmental in the background. And school counselors are getting cut due to funding, and the ones that still exist, their caseload is astronomical. And for school psychologists, the expectation of them as far as testing and the legal portion of the job is so overwhelming that there's not much time to support the counseling portion. So I think that's one of the biggest things facing the school counseling and school psychology industry. It's just there's not enough funding for the need. And I've talked to a lot of people that just said, due to life and environmental reasons and things like that, there's a growing need, and there's a shrinking number of people to offer that support. So I think that's interesting, looking at the history of how it developed and what we're facing now. Just the parallels between that's really interesting. Have a good night.